We are together virtually today to celebrate a very special occasion, the 98th birth anniversary of a person who was called Sahit Shiromani and Gurmatacharya. We are, of course, talking about Gyani Gurditt Singh, most famous for his book Mera Pind. But today we are going to mark another book, a biography written in the Makers of Indian Literature series and published by Sahitya Akademi, Delhi, by Sardar Baldev Singh Sarknama, himself a Sahitya Akademi Award winner. The book is in Punjabi. We are honored today to have amongst us the author Sardar Baldev Singh, as well as people who knew Gyani ji intimately, including Sardar Tarlochan Singh, former Member of Parliament, Sardar Manjeet Singh Khera, senior advocate, Professor Neelam Man Singh Chaudhary, the eminent theatre person, and Dr. Ranjit Pawar. I'm sure that you'll find it very interesting to listen to what they have to say and see the personality of Gyani Gurditt Singh emerge as they talk to us and as we listen to them.
I'm delighted to be part of this program, and I feel deeply privileged to be able to talk about Gyani Gurditt Singh, a wonderful scholar who I happen to know thanks to my father, Dr. Man Singh Nirankari. And I am so delighted that he is part of an anthology of the makers of Indian literature. Gyani Gurditt Singh I have known even before I actually physically met him, because his Mera Pind was an iconic book which we had all heard about but not really read, but we knew of its layered dimensions of being able to capture in a very nuanced and a very layered manner about a village in the district of Malerkotla. And it had become a book which was talked about, discussed, analyzed, and became close to everybody's heart. It is a book that talked about village life before urbanization and modernity had entered. You can actually smell the fields, the vegetables growing in the fields, the sarson khet. You can, the idiomatic language that he used. It was actually also an experiment in new kind of writing. Besides that, he was also a humanist, a theologist, and his work with the SGPC is too well known to be able for me to reiterate. His life itself was representative of good living, high moral ethics. I think it's really absolutely wonderful that Mr. Baldev Singh, who is a Sahitya Akademi Award winner, has brought out a biography on his life and his passion. I welcome this as a new addition to literature. I really do wish, and I would like to emphasize, that his wonderful iconic book, Mera Pind, should be translated in different languages. So it is made more accessible, and we have an opportunity to read him whether in Hindi or Marathi or English or Telugu, because this book deserves a much wider coverage.
Gyani Gurditt Singh is a choice which couldn't be ignored. Rather, if anybody knew his contribution to literature, he would put it as one of the pioneers of Indian literature, who combined the thought of ancient literature and how easily to put in modern version and language. He brought a bridge between two societies through his language, his research, his command over the thought process of ancient people, the Sikh Gurus, and the modern society. And I thank Sahitya Akademi for this contribution. The Bhagat whose Bani is contained in Guru Granth Sahib when they were there, whether they were contemporaries of the Gurus or they were centuries before them, whether Kabir influenced Guru Nanak or Guru Nanak influenced Kabir, there's nobody thought of even knowing it. Gyani ji researched and gave the perfect, believable, accepted analysis of this. He is the only author whose book is accepted without controversy on this issue. Rather, he is the only person who went into this issue in that depth and detail. So, on the side of Sikh religion and the intellectual side of Sikh religion, the interpretation of Guru Granth Sahib, in the right context, in the context it was authored by the Gurus, and the philosophy they wanted to convey, in that he has an unparalleled contribution to make, which very few would acknowledge. The whole Sikh philosophy as interpreted by Gyani Gurditt Singh is a contribution which doesn't need only acknowledgement, but it has to be understood and followed. It will serve a great deal in the real propagation of Sikh religion amongst those people who would like to follow Sikh religion after understanding it. By reading Mera Pind, you will not realize it's a collection of essays or it was written in parts. It's a work of his, a greater part of his life brought together with that facility of language, of deep insight and scholarly contribution to the world of Punjabi literature, that at once it shot into such prominence that anybody who read it did not find enough words to describe and praise it, including men, great scholars like Professor Pritam Singh, Gurbakh Singh Preet Ladi, Bhai Jodh Singh, and intelligent and clever politicians like Pratap Singh Karu and Gyani Kartar Singh. Everybody had his own angle to enjoy and appreciate and describe in his own way. So, sum total, Gyani Gurditt Singh, I would put, if you ask me to put in 2 words, he was like a saint scholar. Gyani Gurditt Singh gave us much, which we remember and cherish.
Gyani Gurditt Singh Ji, uncle to me, was a multifaceted personality, and I, in spite of knowing him for so many years, could not know all about him until by and by I heard more and more layers of his personality unfold. And what an amazing man. Of course, immaterial to say, his hold on Punjabi language was wonderful. And what we enjoyed even more was the subtle wit that he had. He, in spite of being culturally totally steeped in Punjabi culture, he had a very British sense of humor, a tongue in the cheek kind of humor, which absolutely used to thrill us when we, coming from him. And one would expect him to be a very serious personage, so well read, such a huge scholar. And yet when he made those little jokes, they were so brilliant and they delighted us so much. Instead of high-sounding degrees validating his knowledge and literary abilities, he grew to be such an institution of knowledge and learning in himself that scholars worked on his research works to get degrees. And it is said that he actually visited about 1,200 gurdwaras in various parts of the country. to dig up about their history, to break some myths which were not so correct, and to actually give historical facts about them. Not only do we remember him for his literary contribution to Punjabi, but also his deep devotion towards his faith and to the research, the scientific research which he carried out objectively about Sikh history and Guru Granth Sahib, which was not overshadowed by mere emotion. He went about it in a very scientific manner. When he wrote Mundavani and he did dare to say that Ragmala was not a part of Guru Granth Sahib, I remember that he got dire threats, and he had to risk and stand up to those threats and still stick to his stand. Besides that, his great epic work, Mera Pind, is a work like no other in Punjabi. And through that work, he has left us a legacy of rural Punjab on such a huge canvas in which he has depicted all the traditions of a typical village in Punjab, the social order, the lifestyle, and the rich spoken Punjabi with its epithets, with all its witty sayings, which you will not find in any book. And I have read and reread that book, and every time I have found something new in it. I have found that he preserved expressions and words of Punjabi which had disappeared even for my generation. A prolific writer, a prolific thinker, he was somebody who left an imprint on everybody who met him. Gyani Gurditt Singh Ji will be remembered fondly and proudly by many generations, not only his own, not only the second generation that I belong to, but I am sure through his works, even by the coming generations.
ਭਾਵੇਂ ਮੇਰੀ ਅੰਗਰੇਜ਼ੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ ਬੋਲਣ ਪੱਖੋਂ ਇੰਨੀ ਵਧੀਆ ਨਹੀਂ, ਮੈਂ ਪੜ੍ਹ ਠੀਕ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਲੈਣਾ ਹੈ, ਮੈਂ ਆਪ ਲਿਖਣਾ ਹੋਵੇ ਮੈਂ ਲਿਖ ਵੀ ਲੈਣਾ ਹੈ ਗੁਜ਼ਾਰੇ ਜੋਗੀ, ਪਰ ਬੋਲਣ ਤੋਂ ਥੋੜ੍ਹੇ ਜਿਹਾ ਮੈਂ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕਰਾਂਗਾ ਵੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਗਿਆਨੀ ਜੀ ਬਾਰੇ ਕੁਝ ਅੰਗਰੇਜ਼ੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਕਰਾਂ. I am glad that I got the privilege to bring out various facts of the life of great writer of Punjabi, Gyani Gurditt Singh. Every Punjabi reading person is familiar with his Mera Pind. Is a classic that has been widely appreciated by scholars and readers alike. He wrote 50 other books, but he will always be identified with Mera Pind first and foremost. I have written about Gyani Ji's personality, and based on his knowledge and literary contributions, I have called him an encyclopedia of Punjabi cultural life. I have examined his mastery of prose and also the vast religious writings that led him to be titled Gurmat Acharya. I hope this book will find a wide readers and that it will also be translated into English and other Indian languages.
I came to know Gyani Gurditt Singh when he started the daily Punjabi newspaper from Patiala, Prakash, and at that time the whole of Pepsu, which was a separate state in India, they had no daily newspaper. So he is the pioneer in that field in Punjab, and that paper became very popular. Later on, after that, he started a weekly paper, and his career as a journalist was very successful. Then he started after that as a real writer for the rural areas. His book Mera Pind, which gives the true picture of a Punjab village, the living of a people, all the games of the village, all those, and that book became internationally very popular, perhaps one Punjabi book which had dozens of editions later on. So he became very popular as that time. Then he was a very good writer on Sikh religious affairs. His book, because Guru Granth has holy verses of saints from all parts of India. Gyani Gurditt Singh went to all places and collected data, and he wrote a book about all those Bhagats and what were their connection with Guru Nanak. That is a very good research book which has never been written earlier. Then he wrote another book on Sikh religion, that is the last portion of Guru Granth. He was having some objection, and then he proved a book through Mudavani where the Guru Granth, the last page should end. He became member of the Legislative Council of Punjab, where he played a very active role. He was a very popular man, starting from President of India, Gyani Zail Singh, Pratap Singh Karu, Chief Minister, Gyan Singh Ralawala, Chief Minister. But he remained a simple man, humble man, who never misused his position and his closeness with the politician. Then he established Singh Sabha Shatabdi Committee with Sir Hukum Singh, former Speaker of Parliament, as chairman, where he did a lot of work. Whole of his life, he has been regularly a writer, a thinker, and helper of the people of his own area, especially the poor people. The author, Baldev Singh Sadaknama, is a very big, himself a good writer, and this book will definitely prove that here is a model writer, model person in Punjab who has done in so many fields. One personality, expert on different subjects. So I pay my homage to him, his family. His wife was Vice Chancellor of Patiala University. His son has been a very senior editor of English Daily. So he has left a good legacy, and I think the torch is now still brighter, which is being kept by his family.
I'm thankful to you for joining us in this session which celebrated the life and works of Gyani Gurditt Singh Ji. This is not going to be a singular endeavor. We will continue with more such programs, and I would also like to invite those of you who understand Punjabi to go and click the link for the Punjabi program so that you can see that also. Thank you very much again for sparing the time and for being with us.